morning guys. Okay, so we've done the bonds of 20. Now let's get on to our maths challenge. Super easy, and before you know it, it will be over. So let's have a quick look at the first one. 55 plus 33. Remember, we always start with this side here, which is the units. Okay, so I put 5 in my head, which is the biggest number, and then I hold up 3 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8. Exactly the same here, guys. Which is the biggest number, the 5 or the 3? The 5. And I put up 3 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Who can read this number for me? 88. Fantastic, guys. Well done. Let's do this one here. This is my takeaway, my subtraction. What's the first thing I do when I see a subtraction? Who can remember? Okay, you're quite right. I turn it into an arrow. What does this magic arrow mean? It means that this here, this number here, is the one that I put in my head. So, I start off with this one here. I put the 3 in my head and I'm going to count up to 5. 3, 4, 5. It gives me 2. And I do exactly the same over here. 3, 4, 5, 2. So far, so good, huh? Nice and easy. Let's keep going on then. I got another addition. Remember, the addition means that I'm looking for the biggest number first of all. First of all, on this side here. So which is the biggest number, the 2 or the 8? The 8. So I put 8 in my head and 2 fingers up. 8, 8, 9, 10. You saw what I've done wrong? Okay, this one shouldn't be here, should it? The 1 for the 10 should be up here. You're quite right. Okay, so do I put the 6 or the 1 in my head? The 6, very obvious. I put the 6 in my head and I put 1 finger up. And don't forget to add the magic 1. Okay, so 6, 7, 8. What's my answer, guys? 80. Well done. And the last one of these for today. Okay, we have got a subtraction. Remember, this means that instantly I need to do my arrow, which means that it is this number here, which is going to be sitting in my head. Okay, we always start on this side here. So I'm going to put 8 in my head and I'm going to count up to 2. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm not going to get to 2, am I? So who remembers what I have to do? Yes, I have to put my magic ones. So this 2 is now called 12. And because I give 1 to the mummy, I have to give 1 to the baby. And 1. And if I give another 1 to another baby, it's going to be called number 2. Fantastic, guys. So let's do this. 8 in my head. And now I'm counting up to 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. Okay. And exactly on the other side, this is the number that's going to go in my head. Remember, it's turned into a 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, guys. That wasn't so hard, was it? Okay, so let's have a look at the last 2 bits that we have got here. Who remembers their 10 times table? Let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, remember that all of the ones that I do have got a 0 at the end. So who remembers what 7 times 10 is? who remembers a trick? Remember, what I do is I take my 7 and then I just add my 0. So 7 times 10 is 70. Exactly the same with 3 times 10. Who remembers the answer? Ready? Okay. I take my 3 and then I add my 0. Fantastic. Do I add the 1? No. I just add the 0 and that's the trick for the 10 times table. The same with 2 times 10. I'm going to take my, fantastic, 2, and then I'm going to add my 0. So 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, and the last bit over here, guys, dividing by 10. Now, the trick for this is when I am dividing by 10, it looks a little bit like I'm taking away the 0. So, if I've got 70 divided by 10, I'm going to be taking away 1 0, which gives me the answer 7. 70 divided by 10 is 7. Let's do the same again. 30 divided by 10, remembering that dividing looks a little bit like taking away the 0, and I'm going to take away 1 0 and 1 0, which gives me my answer, which is 3. And exactly the same, guys. 20 divided by 10, I'm going to be taking away how many zeros? 1. 1 0 and 1 0, which gives me my answer 2. Okay, guys, so we've had a go at the maths challenge together. Have a look at the other page and try and do it yourself. Okay, no cheating. If you do get stuck, don't forget to put in the arrows and the taking away of the zeros or the adding of the zeros. Okay, I can't wait to see your work. Send it on to me. Bye.